Are you looking for a better way to handle air hoses in your shop? Well, stay tuned. We're going to give you a nice tool review that will help with that solution. Keep watching. Hey, Ray Ruthin here. Welcome back to the Woodcrafting Place, where we bring you woodworking knowledge to help you improve your time in the shop, make it more efficient and more effective. So, you've got a compressor in your shop, or you want to put a compressor in your shop, but like my shop, it's small and air hoses are a real pain to deal with. Well, I'm going to do a tool review today that will help you manage that. So today, we're going to take a look at the Vevor retractable tool reel. That's right, this hose reel does a nice job of handling up to 50 feet of air hose. So nice thing about the reel is it comes with a couple different options for mounting. You have a nifty bracket that you can mount directly to a stud, and if you happen to have a framed wall, or if you don't and you want to mount it directly to the concrete wall, it also has a flat mounting pad. And it comes with hardware, nice hardware. It's some expandable bolts that you can use for putting into concrete. I don't recommend using these for going into stud walls. The expansion will tend to push the wood fibers out and it will lose their grip. So concrete though, these do a nice job. And if you do decide to go into a stud wall, you'll want to go and invest in some good lags. And it also comes with these nice bolts, you can see it here, and spacers. That way you can pivot. You can see here the reel will pivot on there. All right, so let's look at my configuration. I'm just going to show you the way I decided to install it today. Mine's going to be a little different. I'm going overhead versus against the wall. So let's take a look at that. Before we zoom in on that, just a quick little tip. So since I'm going overhead, I decided to use steel. And for those of you who have projects to do and you are looking for a really cheap or free way of getting some nice angle steel to make your projects out of, keep your eye open for folks getting rid of old bed frames. So like you'll see that all of the bracketry that I made for the mounting was out of an old bed frame. Okay, now you can see the initial mounting brackets already mounted up in the rafters overhead. So they're just ready to receive the hose reel. The hose reel does come with a 5-foot connecting hose that you can use if you're installing the hose reel near your compressor. However, in my case, I needed about 20 feet to run from the compressor all the way to the hose reel. One nice feature they do include is the little stop here for deciding how much you want hanging out. Is adjustable, so you can move this, just a Phillips screwdriver. There we go. Now when you're all done with it, quick yank, and there it is. I looked online on Amazon. This is selling for about $69 right now, which is far less than any of the competition. The comparable units right now are selling for most of them in excess of $100. So this is a really good deal. It's got 50 feet of hose on it. Cons, really small stuff. Would have liked to have seen some other hardware included for mounting to wood structure. Obviously a swivel connection. You saw when I connected the air hose to it. The one thing that'll be interesting is to see how that stands up over time. I expect it'll last for years. It seems, like I said, it seems very durable. So I would certainly recommend this. If you look down below in the comments, you'll see the affiliate links. That way you can find the exact source of this. It's also on Amazon. Hope you liked the video, got something out of it. And don't forget, if you learned something, you liked the video, you like the content, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and like this video and subscribe. That's right, get notified as we produce more content. Thank you so much for joining us. I really appreciate you spending your time here today. I recognize your time is valuable and we appreciate you spending it here. So have a great day and we will see you again real soon.